First, we will read some topics of sound, then we will do the questions. So first topic is sound, and it is saying here that sound is a form of energy and it comes from vibrations. Second point, it is saying that these vibrations create sound waves which move through mediums such as air and water before reaching the ears. Okay, before reaching to our ears, it go through the air, water, or simple we can say through different mediums. After this, third point is saying that understand how sound waves come from vibration in form of compression and rarefaction and how your ear gives the ability to hear them. So this we have seen through the diagrams also, graph also. In your screen, on your screen you can see a pure sound and noise graph is there, and the graph of noise can be termed as rarefaction, and the graph of pure sound can be termed as normal, reflection, and less rarefaction. So means normal compression. Okay, normal compression, but in noise we are having more rarefaction, more compression. That is why it is unpleasant sound. The pure definition of noise is unpleasant sound. So first question, now you can enter. Ready for first question? 8 participants have joined. 10. All of you write your original name, don't use the nicknames. Twelve participants have joined. The PDF of today's session will also be sent to you after the class. Okay. So I am not in class 8 WhatsApp group. I will send to some of the students. They will send in the group. The PDF format of each and every screen you are seeing. Okay. In terms of PDF form, you will get. So let's start. First question on your screen. Does any part of our body vibrate when we speak? Name the part. Two parts of questions are there. Does any part of our body vibrate when we speak? You have to type the answers. Total you have got 2 minutes. And the question contains of 2 categories. First category is, does any part of body vibrate when we speak? The answer will be either yes or no. Second category is, name that part. So you have to type, you will get total 150 words. If you do the copy pasting, I will not make it correct because I can do here the manual checking also. Okay, if someone has done the copy paste, they will not get the marks. So 1 minute 15 seconds, 75 seconds total left. Don't do copy paste. It will not take in 150 words. Your answer can be wrong. Type your answer. Last 25 seconds. Time's up. So let's see the answer. The correct answer is yes. The part of our body that vibrates when we speak is larynx, also known as vocal cord. So half answers, earlier only I have told half answers I will not make correct. One student has written yes, the part name is vocal cord, very good. Yes, mouth, wow. Yes, throat, wrong. Yes, larynx. What is this larynx? It is actually larynx. Correct your spelling. अभी मैं सही कर रहा हूँ, बाद में नहीं करूँगा. Larynx. So others with the single answer, they will not get the marks because two categories of questions are there. First, we have to mention yes or no, and second, the part of that body. So let's see the leaderboard. I think only two have got the correct answer. So Bhumika has got the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. Before the question, we should read some content topic, that is how sound is produced. So after that question will be there on this only. How sound is produced? A sound is produced by vibrating body. A sound is produced by a vibrating body. You can see in the image also on your screen. When a body vibrates, it produces sound in the surrounding medium. Third point is saying the vibrations are transferred to the medium surrounding the sound source. And fourth point is saying when the vibration propagate away from the source, they form a sound wave. So clear all 4 points, everyone? All 4 points clear? Now let's move to the question. Here's the question number 2 for today's session. When we hear a sound, does any part of our body vibrate? Question mark, name the part. Again, two categories of questions are asked. First, when we hear sound, does any part of our body vibrate or not? Second, name that part. First, you have to write yes or no, and second, you have to tell the part. 1 minute 45 seconds left. Two participants have given the answer. When we hear a sound, does any part of our body vibrate or not? Question mark. Continuation, name the part. If it is vibrating, then name that part of the body. Twelve answers have got. 1 minute total time left. Last 25 seconds. 17 answers have got. Total you have to type 150 words. Maximum, you can use any of the words below 150. And that is more than enough to explain this question or any question. Time's up. So let's see the answer. Let's check the answers. Yes, the vibration of sound that reaches our ear vibrates the eardrum. Okay, so let's check. Yes, the part that vibrate is ear. Ear don't vibrate. Eardrums vibrate. Wrong. The part is eardrum. Correct. I can do manual checking from here also. Its name is ear. How ear can vibrate when we hear the sound? Vocal cord vibrate when we hear. Wow. Vocal cord vibrate. Larynx vibrate. No, any part not vibrate. Yes, eardrum. It is correct. Yes, eardrum correct. Earbud. And Lavanya has written her own name. Lavanya vibrates when sound reaches. No, our body part disentangle vibrate. What is this word? Disentangle. So half answers wrong. Full answers correct. Let's see the leaderboard. So Bhumika, Disha, Mokshpincha, Gunjan, Naman, they have got the correct. Let's move to the next slide. Why some sounds are louder than others? We say na that some of the sounds are very of less pitch, some of the sounds are high pitch. Why this is? Because the loudness of sound depends on its amplitude. Larger the amplitude, louder will be the sound, or vice versa, means louder the sound means larger the amplitude. So clear this slide. This slide is about why some sounds are louder than others. When we compare two or more sounds, we see that some of the sounds are louder. That is because of larger amplitude of vibrations. Their vibrations are larger. That is why they create more sound as compared to the others. Only 9 students have liked this slide. Others didn't like. Okay. So let's move to the question. Question number 3. Explain why the sound produced by every vibrating body cannot be heard by us. Total 2 minutes time you are having. Explain why the sound produced by every vibrating body cannot be heard. We have seen that sound is produced by vibration. But by doing vibration also, sound is not properly heard by us. Why it is? You have to give the proper reason under 150 words for this question. Don't do copy paste, write in your own words. One answer I have got. 90 seconds left. Sound is produced by vibration, but after vibration also, some of the sounds are not properly heard. Why? 5 answers I have got. Total of 1 minute left. That means 60 seconds left for this question. So time's up. Let's see the answer. The correct answer is, if sound produced by a vibrating body is in audible range. If it is in audible range, then only we can hear. Otherwise, we cannot. So let's check the answers. Because the amplitude won't be low. Amplitude, which tube is this amplitude? YouTube, I have heard. What is this amplitude? Wund means ghav, zakm. Wrong. Frequency of every sound is different. Yes, correct. It cannot be heard because its frequency can be high or low than the range of 20 to 20,000. Yes, it can also be correct. Range of frequency for every vibrating body is different, correct? Every voice cannot be heard by our human ears. Why? The question is asked on that only. Why? Some sound produced by vibrating bodies have extremely low, extremely high frequencies. Okay, correct. Since range of frequency for every vibrating body is different, correct? Because amplitude is more and we cannot hear lower than 20 and upper than 2000. Good. Because sometimes amplitude is very low, correct? Since range of frequency for every vibrating body is different, but we can hear the vibration which lies between the range of frequencies, correct? Human ear can hear 20 to 20,000, correct? Because we cannot hear the sound lower than 20, upper than 2000, correct? So let's see the leaderboard after this. This time I think Disha, Moksha, Gunjan, Naman on first. Bhumika, Laksh, Keshav, Mehak, Purvan, Sada. Second. Let's move to the next. List 3 sources of noise pollution in your locality. Type your answer. List 3 sources of noise pollution in your locality. What are the sources of noise pollution in your locality? Name them. So let's see what you all are typing. Traffic and any work of drilling, etc., honking, loudspeaker, vehicle, music system, garbage van, cars, horn. Good. Garbage van, car horns, dogs bark, vehicle horn, loudspeaker, TV, and spelling of television is wrong here. Car horns, dog barking, trash vehicle playing song, loudspeaker, horn of the car and bike, AC. How AC creates sound? वो भी pollution वाला. Explosion of crackers, running of different machine. Speaker, horn, high voice, car horn, guitar. Guitar causes noise pollution. Wow. Who has written this? Construction site, vehicle, horn, traffic, burning crackers. Three sources of noise, spelling of noise is wrong here. Horn, construction, traffic. Vehicles spelling is wrong. Construction, vehicle and speaker who is written. Construction site, catering and nightlife. How catering and nightlife creates noise pollution? Car noise, traffic, vehicle, horn produced by. Okay. So let's move to other. Question number 4. For that question, you will not get points. That was simple a typing question that doesn't contain any points. Okay. This question will be of points. Two astronauts are floating close to each other in space. Can they talk to each other without using any special device? Give reason. Total of 1 minute 50 seconds you all are having. One answer I've got. Two astronauts are floating close to each other in space. Can they talk to each other without using any special device? 12 answers I have got. So let's see the answer. The correct answer is no. Since there is vacuum in space, sound cannot travel in vacuum. Now let's check the answer. Wait, let me check first. Who has written no? Because air has no voice. Air has no voice. Wow. One has written yes, they can talk with sings. So I think everybody can see the answers. What others have written. Okay, so some students are saying that typing answer बहुत प्रॉब्लम देता है. I will not tell the name. आलस आता है. ओके, वेरी गुड, कुछ तो आता है. यस चैतन्य.
सर ये जो क्वेश्चन था सर, इसका जो टॉप में जो राइट के कॉर्नर में था, एक बंदे ने लिखा था साउंड सॉरी एयर कैन नॉट ट्रेवल इन वैक्यूम, उसने लिख दिया, तो सर आप उसको राइट दे दियो.
अच्छा, एक मिनट देखने दो.
उसने लिखा
वेट वेट वेट
एयर कैन नॉट ट्रेवल इन वैक्यूम.
वेट. कहाँ?
टॉप राइट में ऊपर.
ऊपर.
सर ऊपर तरफ एकदम.
ऊपर के राइट में नो दे कैन नॉट
हाँ
एयर
ये
वैक्यूम. हाँ, ये
हाँ.
रॉन्ग हो गया. वेरी गुड. जिसका भी है उसका रॉन्ग करा दिया चैतन्य ने. मेरी गलती नहीं है इसमें. ओके, और देखो और देखो. एंड हुज एयर इज सिंगिंग, किसका एयर गाना गा रहा था? ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स सी द लीडर टेबल, लीडर बोर्ड. दिशा मोक्ष फर्स्ट, गुंजन महक नमन पहल पूर्वान सेकंड, भूमिका लक्ष्य केशव थर्ड. Let's move to the next. The hearing range of human ear is, three options you are having. The hearing range of human ear is. Three options you are having, no time limit. 14 have given the first option. This time you don't have to type. One has written ना, लिखने में आलस आता है. Now you can tick the correct MCQ. Last 30 seconds. So voting closed. Correct answer is first option only. All have given the correct answer. Next question. Pitch of the sound is determined by its dash. Type your answer here. So first I have got frequency. Second I have got amplitude. Third I have got waves of sound. Next, the frequency of subsonic sound. For these questions you are not getting any marks. This is just for revision. The frequency of subsonic sound is dash. Frequency, 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 amplitude, waves of sound, waves of sound. Less than 20. Low frequency. 20 to 20,000 hertz. Good. Less than 20, sufficiently high. Okay. Final question for today's. Answer fast to get more points. Sound is a kind of work, energy or force. Only 10 seconds you are having. Sound is a kind of work, energy or force. Time's up. So this is today's final. The correct answer is energy. 12 have given the correct answer. Let's see the leaderboard. And finally, for today's session, the winner is Disha. Second Moksha, third Naman, fourth Pahal, and Gunjan. The PDF I am sending after the class. Okay.